Hello, students. A very good morning to you all. Today, we are going to learn about compound and their uses. What is a compound? A compound is a pure substance which is formed due to the chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Compound is made up of more than one element. A compound is a pure substance formed when two or more chemical elements are chemically joined together. When the elements are joined, the atoms lose their individual properties and have different properties from the elements they are composed of. The properties of a compound are different from those of its constituents. Few examples of compounds are water, carbon dioxide, sodium chloride. Water is made from two elements, hence it is a compound. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Water is composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. The ratio of oxygen atom and hydrogen atoms in water is 1:2 by volume or 8:1 by mass. Each water molecule contains two hydrogen atoms bonded to a single oxygen atom. Carbon dioxide is a compound made from two elements, carbon and oxygen. The chemical formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Carbon dioxide composed of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Sodium chloride is also a compound made from two elements, sodium and chlorine. Sodium chloride contains one atom of sodium combines with one atom of chlorine. The chemical formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. Classification of compounds. Based on the origin of chemical constituents, compounds are classified into two types. They are inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Both inorganic and organic compounds exist in all three states of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases. What are the properties of solids, liquids and gases? Very good. Solids have definite shape and volume. Solids cannot be compressed. Solids cannot flow easily. The particles of solids are tightly packed. Liquids do not have definite shape but have definite volume. They take the shape of the container. The particles of liquid are closely packed. Liquids can easily be compressed. Liquids can flow easily. Gases neither have definite shape nor definite volume. Gases generally do not have any shape or volume. Gases can be highly compressible. The particles of gases are less closely packed. Gases can flow easily and it may be able to evaporate. Inorganic compounds. Compounds obtained from non-living sources such as rock, minerals, etc. are called Inorganic compounds. Compounds associated with non-living sources are inorganic compounds. A compound that does not contain a carbon to hydrogen bond, also called a CH bond, is known as inorganic compounds. Here, the carbon-hydrogen bond is absent. Examples for inorganic compounds are chalk, baking powder, etc. Inorganic compounds generally do not burn easily. Organic compounds. Compounds obtained from living sources such as plants, animals, etc. are called organic compound. Organic means living. Organic compounds are mainly found in most of the living things. Organic compound contain carbon to hydrogen bond in their structure. Organic compound has carbon bonded with hydrogen compound. They do not dissolve in water. Organic compounds are mostly colorless and they catch fire easily. Let us learn some important compounds in solids, liquids and gaseous state. Compounds in solid. Some important compounds that exist in solid state are silica. Other name for silica is sand. The constant elements present in silica are silicon and oxygen. The chemical formula for silica is SO2. Silica contains one sulfur atom and two oxygen atom. Silica is silicon dioxide. Silicon is the second most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Silicon does not exist as a free element in its natural state. It exists in the form of compound. Potassium hydroxide. Other name for potassium hydroxide is caustic potash. The constituent elements present in potassium hydroxide are potassium, hydrogen and oxygen. It is used in various chemical, industrial and manufacturing applications such as soaps and detergents. Hydroxide contains both hydrogen and oxygen. Sodium hydroxide. Other name for sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide contains the constituent elements as sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. Sodium hydroxide is used to manufacture paper, aluminium, soap and detergents. Copper sulfate. The other name for copper sulfate is blue vitriol. The chemical formula for copper sulfate is CuSO4. The constituent elements present in copper sulfate are copper, sulfur and oxygen. Sulfate contains both sulfur and oxygen. Copper sulfate can be used as fertilizer or fungicide. Zinc carbonate. The other name for zinc carbonate is calamine. The chemical formula for zinc carbonate is ZnZO3. Zinc carbonate appears as a white crystalline solid or powder that is insoluble in water. Zinc carbonate generally do not dissolve in water. On heating, zinc carbonate changes to pale yellow color. The constant elements present in zinc carbonate are zinc, carbon, and oxygen. Carbonate contains both carbon and oxygen. Compounds in liquid. Some important compounds that exist in liquid state are water. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Water contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. The constant elements present in water are hydrogen and oxygen. Water covers more than 75% of the Earth's surface. Water is the most important inorganic compound that is essential for all living organisms. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and its melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. Water can exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Water is used to extinguish fire. Hydrochloric acid. The chemical formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl. Hydrochloric acid contains one hydrogen atom and one chlorine atom. The constant elements present in hydrochloric acid are hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrochloric acid is a colorless and odorless solution. Hydrochloric acid naturally produced in human stomach and helps in the process of digestion. Nitric acid. The chemical formula for nitric acid is HNO3. Nitric acid contains one hydrogen atom, one nitrogen atom, and three oxygen atoms. The constituent elements present in nitric acid are hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Nitric acid is a strong acid and it is highly corrosive in nature. Ammonia is used to manufacture nitric acid. Sulfuric acid. The chemical formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid contains two hydrogen atoms, one sulfur atom, and four oxygen atoms. The constituent elements present in sulfuric acid are hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Sulfuric acid is a colorless liquid with no odor. Sulfuric acid in general do not have any smell. Sulfuric acid is used to make soaps, detergents, fertilizers, and car batteries. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is otherwise known as vinegar. Vinegar means sour wine. Vinegar is formed naturally due to spoilage of wine. The chemical formula for acetic acid is CH3COOH. The constituent elements present in acetic acid are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Compounds in gas. Some important compounds that exist in gaseous state are carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The chemical formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Di means 2. Carbon dioxide contains one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. Carbon dioxide does not support burning. Carbon dioxide is used to prepare soft drinks. It is used in fire extinguishers. Carbon monoxide contains one carbon and one oxygen atoms. Mono means single. Carbon monoxide is an air pollutant. It is produced by the smoke of vehicles. Sulfur dioxide. The chemical formula for sulfur dioxide is SO2. It contains one sulfur atom and two oxygen atoms. The elements present in sulfur dioxide are sulfur and oxygen. Methane. The chemical formula for methane is CH4. Methane contains 1 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. Methane is a colorless, odorless and highly flammable gas. Methane can catch fire easily. Methane is a main component of natural gas in which it is used to generate electricity and heat. The elements present in methane are carbon and hydrogen. Nitrogen dioxide. The chemical formula for nitrogen dioxide is NO2. It contains 1 nitrogen atom and 2 oxygen atoms. It is an important air pollutant and it will lead to acid rain. It destroys aquatic life. These gases are harmful to human health and the environment. Nitrogen dioxide contains the elements nitrogen and oxygen. Ammonia. The chemical formula for ammonia is NH3. It contains 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Ammonia is produced by the natural decomposition of animal and vegetable waters. It is a colorless gas with a pungent smell. Ammonia is produced naturally in human body and in water, soil and air. It dissolves easily in water. Ammonia is used in the manufacture of fertilizers such as urea. Plants need ammonia to make protein and other growth compounds. Uses of compounds. Let us discuss some compounds and their uses in our daily life. Water. The chemical name of water is hydrogen oxide. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Water contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Water is used for drinking and as solvent. Water is the universal solvent. All living things, including humans, depend on water for survival. Water is used for our domestic needs such as drinking, bathing, cooking food and washing clothes. Water is widely used in agriculture, industries and transportation. Table salt. The chemical name for table salt is sodium chloride. The chemical formula for table salt is NaCl. Table salt contains 1 sodium atom and 1 chlorine atom. Table salt is otherwise called as cooking salt, which is widely used in cooking to add flavor to food. Table salt is colorless but has taste. Table salt is widely used to preserve meat and fish. It is used in preservation of pickles. Table salt is used in the manufacture of soap. Table salt is used to melt the ice in winter in cold countries. Sugar. The chemical name for sugar is sucrose. The chemical formula for sucrose is C12H22O11. The elements present in sugar are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Sugar has sweet taste in nature. Sucrose is common sugar. Sugar is a carbohydrate, a nutrient that provides energy in the body. Sugar adds color and flavor upon cooking. Sucrose is used in cookies, cakes, coffee and tea. Sugar is used in the preparation of sweets, toffees, and fruit juices. Baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. The elements present in baking soda are sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. It contains one sodium atom, one hydrogen atom, one carbon atom, and three oxygen atoms. It is used in fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder, and preparation of cakes and bread. It is used as a neutralizing agent as antacid. Washing soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. It contains two sodium atoms and three oxygen atoms and one carbon atom. The elements present in washing soda are sodium, carbon, and oxygen. Washing soda is used as cleaning agent in soap, and it is also used in the softening of hard water. Washing soda is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Washing soda is used in the manufacture of glass, soap, and paper. Bleaching powder. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. Bleaching powder contains one calcium atom, one oxygen atom, and two chlorine atoms. Bleaching powder is a pale yellowish powder existing with a strong smell of chlorine. Bleaching powder contains the elements of calcium, oxygen, and chlorine. Bleaching powder is used as bleaching agent, disinfectant, and sterilization of drinking water. Bleaching powder is used in cotton and paper industry for bleaching cotton and wood pulp. It is used for disinfectant to purify drinking water. It is used for making unshrinkable wool. Quicklime. The chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide, CaO. Quicklime is a common name for burnt limestone, calcium oxide. Quicklime has wide range of uses including the production of iron and steel, paper and pulp production. Quicklime contains the elements calcium and oxygen. Quicklime is used in the manufacture of cement and glass. Quicklime contains one calcium atom and one oxygen atom. Slaked lime. The chemical name for slaked lime is CaOH twice. Slaked lime is a colorless crystal or white powder. Slaked lime is produced when quicklime is mixed with water. Quicklime is CaO, water is H2O. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice slaked lime. Slaked lime readily dissolves in water. The calcium oxide reacts with water and it is transformed to calcium hydroxide. Slaked lime contains the elements calcium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Slate lime is used in whitewashing of walls. Slate lime is widely used in the food industry. Limestone. The chemical name for limestone is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Limestone contains one calcium atom, one carbon atom, and three oxygen atoms. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. Limestone was formed mainly from seashells. The elements present in limestone are calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Limestone is used in the preparation of chalk pieces. Limestone as a building material, it is essential component of concrete Portland cement. Powdered limestone is used in the field of textile, paint, paper, rubber, glass, and plastic industries. More to know. Compound, other name. Copper sulfate, other name is blue vitriol. Ferrous sulfate is also known as green vitriol. Potassium nitrite is also known as saltpetre. Sulfuric acid is known as oil of vitriol. Calcium sulfate, other name is gypsum. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate, other name is plaster of Paris. Potassium chloride, other name is muriate of potash. Thank you, students. I hope that you have learned very well about compound, classification of compound, and uses of compound. Thank you for listening.